Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Loch Ness Monster. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the Loch Ness Monster, let's begin right here at the eye. So I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve up and then down. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to come down and then up here. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrow. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then down here for the top of the head. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down here for the front of the nose. I'm going to make this come over and then down here for the mouth. I'm going to go down, over, and then up for the jaw. And then right here I'm going to add a little dot for the nose. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to bring this back like this. Underneath the jaw, I'm just going to draw a couple little curved lines for some little wrinkles in the neck. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve down like this. I'm going to bring this down here. Now let's work on the flippers. I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to come down. We're going to curve this up and then into here. And then I'll add another little line right there. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across. And another little line that's going to come down. And then it's going to curve in here. Then right here, I'm going to draw another line that's just going to come down. We're going to go up and then into here. And then right here I'm going to draw a little small line that's just going to go down and up for that other flipper. Next, I'm going to bring a couple little lines down here for a few little wrinkles. And then right here I'm going to bring this line up and then down. That'll just kind of shape out the back. Next, I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come down and then up to here for the tail. And now this is our basic shape of our Loch Ness Monster. Let's come in here and add a few little details. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to color in most of the eye, leaving just a little bit white for a reflection. And then I'm going to add a little line underneath it. Next, I'm going to bring a couple little broken lines right up here. And then a few more little lines right along each leg here for some detail. I'm going to make a little line right across the back. And then a couple little kind of curved broken lines here just to give it a little bit of dimension, make him look a little bit rounder. I'll actually throw one more right there. Now, let's make a little bit of a background for our Loch Ness Monster. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my marker right here and I'm just going to draw a really thin little line right across the front of our Loch Ness Monster here. So right now we kind of have that like famous pose where he is above the water. Now what I'm going to do is let's add a little bit of landscape back here. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to add a little bit of like a bumpy line. And then I'm going to bring this line up, make it kind of bumpy, and go off the paper like this. Next, over here, I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to make a little bumpy line that goes right to his neck. It's going to jump over and then come right to the edge of the paper. I'm going to do that same thing, just kind of make it go right around here, kind of bumpy, just like this. And then I'm going to add a little line right here just to kind of connect it. Now over here, let's put one of Scotland's little famous castles in the background. So we're just going to keep this simple. So I'm just going to draw a little line that just comes up. So we'll draw 2 lines. Make a line that goes out on each side. I'll bring a little line that's going to go up and in. We'll go up and in. Then we're going to go down and in. We'll go down and in. Then we'll go up, over, and down. And then inside of here, I'm going to make a little window. So I'm just going to draw a little sad face with a line across. Just add a little bit of detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Loch Ness Monster with a little bit of landscape in the background. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.